Unlock the power of effortless, high-volume document signing with Docusign Powerform. Are you tired of manually preparing and sending countless documents for signatures? Docusign's Powerform is your solution to streamline that entire process, transforming repetitive tasks into an automated workflow. Today, we'll walk through how to create and send high-volume documents that require signatures, all thanks to preformatted templates that make signing automatic for multiple recipients. First, navigate to your Docusign account and locate the Create Powerform option. This is where the magic begins. You'll then be prompted to choose a preformatted template. Docusign offers a wide range of templates, or you can use one you've previously created, which is ideal for consistent branding and structure. Once your template is selected, the intuitive interface allows you to easily design your web-based form. You can drag and drop various field types: a circumflex euros, text boxes for data collection, checkboxes for selections, and of course, essential signature fields. For each field, you can customize its properties, decide if a field is required, what type of data it accepts, and even assign it to a specific recipient if needed, though Powerforms are primarily designed for automated self-service. After designing your form and placing all necessary fields, you'll publish your Powerform. This generates a unique web link. This link can be shared via email, embedded on your website, or used in a marketing campaign. Anyone who accesses this link can complete the form and provide their signature electronically, all without you needing to manually send individual documents. By utilizing web-based forms and preformatted templates, you significantly reduce manual effort and minimize the potential for errors. It's a powerful way to automate your signing process and ensure a smooth experience for everyone involved. Start simplifying your document signing today with Docusign Powerform.